So, which of these parts will make the ball go up?
The spring.
The spring? Yeah, the spring makes the ball go up. Not the wheel or the ramp.